Omubutumwa bw'omuhwezi wa mukuru w'ihanga obwashomwa minisita w'esente Agacencwire yaashaba ngu obujunanizibwa bwa buri muntu okureeba ngu bashagika omwishiki na munonga okutunga eby'obwegyese. Yaba ari aha mukoro gw'okurundana sente ahari Masheruka Girls omu Sheema kumariira ekyombeko Rugogoma ekya Science Block ekibeetsire Alupo Building.
My prayer and desire to see that we support a quality of learning and create enabling environment to learners. Schools such as Masheruka Girls should prioritize the quality of teachers, quality of learners, discipline of students and teachers, and strategic partnerships.
Bwanyuma y'okushoma obutumwa bwa Vice President Minister Agacencwire yareeta amakuru marungi ahari Masheruka Girls agareeta beegi abashomesa n'abazaire batandika ebyeshongoro bya tumutendereze.
Is that true? Yes. Send me a message, the headmaster, for the class. It will sooner or later come here.
Omukoro ogu gwatandika n'okushaba okwayebemberwa omureeberezi wa WestNehinda Diocese kandi abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe bahikaho.
Otakaza kurwana no kwenda ngo ohita abandi iwano no kabentunguka ariwe iworwane no kuhitiwe rwano no kuhitiwe iwo wahati ahitiwe wanyimwa abasyo orebe ngwiwo wanyencha kare yahitiwe wahati yakiziwo wahati. That's exactly what it should be.
Nyenda kubagambira bishibu, you can make it in life. You can be that you want to be in life. Just aim higher. Shomoteke mamani. Leko mutareche kubihambi, you're very beautiful. At this time you're not beautiful. You're not. Conquer tomorrow when you have achieved it all. When you have reached, you will be more beautiful. Tuko.
No staba ICT to bagvechera. Manyo kamprechi ngenza kuizo mu office ya minister. Murenda kabere, murenda kasuya ni bana to kunyachira, no manyachira. Niza kuijese bo. Nustameni yuwe. Tere honorable Nyombitempo. Nyombitempo head wa UCC. Binde program ya RDT ne haza computer. Wanashita mani wakamutera kadara kwenda budget ntakutoza computers.
Engineer Asaf Abenitwe, Commissioner Ministry y'Obwegyese, yasima eby'obwegyese ahishomero rya Masheruka Girls kandi yaja ministry terize kubeebwa.
For the work you are doing, we looked at your results. You did very well, congratulations. And we pray that the work that you have done, the good work that you have done, may continue and you produce even much better grades than you produced this time around.
Masheruka Girls lyasya beegi barikurenga 13 kandi bashomesebwa computer n'emishomo y'emikono.
Your Excellency, we are working hard to achieve that we produce a future lady that we want to see. And I want to assure you, before you came here, His Lordship the Bishop has already harvested quite a number of new followers of Jesus Christ.
Thank the government of Uganda for the great support to educate girl child, promote science education, and especially the support we are getting under the new competence-based curriculum, which requires a lot of resources.
Miliyoni zirikurenga 200 zirundi n'omuhurreji kwombeka ekyombeko Rugogoma ekya Alupo Building. Gasha kwa Michael atwachiri.